guide, I'm going to show you guys how to add thumbnail in Facebook video. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app, then navigate to the home page. Now click on the plus option given at the top right. Now go ahead and select reel or the post. With that, your gallery will open up. Now select the video of your choice. Once you select it, from here you are able to edit it. And once you are done with the editing part, click on next. You will be directed to this page. Here you can customize all of these settings, and once you do that, click on this reel. With that, you're gonna get this option to add the thumbnail for it. You can choose the thumbnail picture within the video, or also you can click on the option add from gallery. Now select the picture of your choice. With that, the selected picture will be added as a thumbnail for your video. Now I can upload it. So this way you are able to add thumbnail in Facebook video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.